In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect accounts on Hootsuite, a task that might seem daunting but is actually quite straightforward when you follow these simple steps. Whether you're handling social media for a small business, a large corporation, or your personal brand, connecting your accounts to Hootsuite can streamline your social media management, saving you time and effort. First things first, make your way to the Hootsuite homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Hootsuite's website is easy to navigate, and you'll find the login or sign up options quite prominently displayed. If you're new to Hootsuite, you'll want to create an account, but since we're focusing on connecting accounts today, I'll assume you're already registered and ready to log in. Click on the login button. This will bring you to the sign in page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email address associated with your Hootsuite account. Remember, accuracy is key to ensure you don't run into any access issues. After entering your email, it's time to input your password. Make sure you type it correctly. Those dots that hide your real password characters are there for security, but can be a double-edged sword if you make a typo. Once you're confident that your email and password are correct, press the Sign In button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Social Accounts and Teams. It's in this section where you'll manage all your connections to various social media platforms. Now let's focus on adding a new account. Look for the Private Account section and click on it. Here you'll find the option to add an account to Hootsuite. This feature is particularly useful for managing multiple social media platforms from one central hub. By streamlining your process, you can focus more on content creation and less on the logistic aspects of account management. After clicking on Add an account to Hootsuite, choose the social network you wish to connect. Hootsuite supports a broad range of platforms, so chances are high that yours is among them. Once you've selected your desired platform, you'll be prompted to sign in to that account. This authentication step is crucial as it allows Hootsuite to post on your behalf without you having to log into the social media platform separately each time. The final step is to authorize Hootsuite to access your account. This might involve agreeing to certain permissions that enable Hootsuite to perform actions like posting content, viewing your profile, and managing your messages. It's important to read through these permissions carefully and ensure you're comfortable with them. Remember, security should always be a top priority, and voila, just like that, you've successfully connected your social media account to Hootsuite. The process might slightly vary depending on the specific social media platform due to their unique authorization requirements, but generally these steps will guide you through the foundation of connecting any account. Before we wrap up, a word of advice. It's a good idea to periodically review the accounts connected to your Hootsuite profile and the permissions granted. Social media platforms frequently update their security policies and app permissions, so staying informed will help keep your data safe while ensuring seamless integration with Hootsuite. Now you're all set to efficiently manage your social media presence from one dashboard. Hootsuite's platform allows you to schedule posts, track engagement statistics, and interact with your audience across various social networks, all from a single interface. By connecting your accounts following the steps we've outlined, you're unlocking the potential to elevate your social media strategy, saving time, and optimizing your online presence. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are now more comfortable navigating Hootsuite and connecting your social media accounts. Digital marketing is continually evolving, and mastering tools like Hootsuite is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore Hootsuite further to discover all the features and functionalities it offers. Happy posting!